right, cold start with the new AKRAPOVIC exhaust. Let's hear it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? I got my boy Eddie with us here today. Say hey, Eddie. What's up, man?
What's up, y'all? What's up?
What you got here for us today, man? What is this? What is this?
I got a 2023 S1000Rr.
Okay. Did you just get the brake insert? What'd you just do to it?
Yeah, I got the brake-in service. Comes with a premium and M package. With that, you get the premium slip-on, the premium rear sets.
Okay.
The blue M calipers and the forged wheels.
Okay. So those are the rear sets right there. That's the premium slip-on right there.
Yep.
And then you said it's got the blue M calipers?
Yep, M calipers and the forged wheels.
Nice. So it's a lot lighter than your standard bike then, right?
A lot lighter, a lot more nimble, a lot quicker.
Okay. And you said what now, you got the exhaust done? What'd you do to the exhaust?
Yeah, so it's got the headers that go with the mid pipe, right? And that does not void your warranty.
Oh, nice.
And that comes straight from the dealer's mouth.
So that's an AKRAPOVIC full system, pretty much.
It is a AKRAPOVIC full system. Absolutely.
Oh, wow. So you figured a way to take the full system and made it to the stock slip-on to not void your warranty.
Exactly.
That's a smart dude. Hell yeah.
Even from the dealer's mouth, they said it does not void your warranty. You don't have to get a servo buddy. The electronics that come with the bike, it basically bypasses that.
Oh, wow. So it already tunes itself and figures it out. It doesn't need any mapping.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, I definitely appreciate you, buddy. Thank you, man. That's a nice bike.